The question says find the area of the shaded region. So see, we can find the area of the shaded region quite easily. We have first find the area of the rectangle that we see in right in front of us. So we have to do length into breadth here. So what is the length here and what is the breadth here? Quite easy to see. Length is 18 and breadth is 10 centimeters. So 18 into 10 will give us 180 centimeter square. Okay. From this area of rectangle, we can subtract the area of this two right angle triangle. This is the first right angle triangle. This is the second right angle triangle. We need to add their area and subtract from area of this rectangle to find the area of the shaded region. So let's find the area of triangle 1 that I have marked as 1 here. So that will be half into base into height. So what is the base here? You can take one of these as base. If suppose I take this 6 as base here, this 10 will become my height. 6 into 10. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 into 10 is 30 centimeter square. Similarly, we can find area of triangle 2. Same formula, half base into height. So here if the base is let's say 10 centimeter मैं ले लूँगी तो मेरा height क्या हो जाएगा? Height will be equal to 8 centimeter. So half into 10 into 8. So 5 8s are 40 centimeter square. अब हम easily area of shaded region निकाल सकते हैं. Area of shaded region will be equal to area of rectangle minus area of triangle 1 plus triangle 2. So 180 minus 30 plus 40, which is actually how much? 70. So 180 minus 70 करेंगे तो हम easily मिल जाएगा, which is 110 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region.
If you are watching my videos and learning maths along with me, then please do also consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel Sri Siddhi Academics.
So this next question is, the base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeter. Its perimeter is 32 centimeter. We have to find its area of this isosceles triangle. So this perimeter is the hint for us to find the value of the sides which are equal in length to each other. Let's see how. कैसे निकालेंगे? So देखो, AB, let AB and AC, let this be the isosceles triangle and AB and AC be the two equal sides. So let the two equal sides be of x centimeter length. So x plus 12 will be equal to 32, है ना? So that is equal to 2x plus 12 is equal to 32. So 2x is equal to 32 minus 12, which is equal to, that is 20. So therefore x will be equal to 20 by 2, which is 10 centimeter. हमें मिल गया. Now हम easily Heron's formula use करके हम area निकाल सकते हैं. Let's do that. Area of triangle will be equal to, जैसे हमने previous question में solve किया था, वही formula use करके ही solve करना है. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. हमें मिल गया है x का वैल्यू. मैं x का वैल्यू यहाँ पर हटा के दोनों साइड्स लिख देती हूँ. 10 सेंटीमीटर है. So this is 10 centimeter and this also is 10 centimeter because this is an isosceles triangle. अब s कितना होगा? 32 by 2 होगा because perimeter अगर 32 है तो s कितना होगा? Sorry, ये वाला इरेज कर देती हूँ. S will be equal to 32 by 2, which is equal to 16 centimeter. So यहाँ पर क्या होगा? S value 16 into 16 minus 10 into 16 minus 10 into 16 minus 12. तो ये 16 वैसे ही लिख लेंगे. यहाँ पर बचेगा 6, यहाँ पे भी एक 6 निकल के आएगा और यहाँ पर बच के आएगा 4. 16 minus 12 is 4. तो स्क्वायर रूट अगर निकालेंगे तो ये 16 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होगा, 4 होगा। अब 6 इंटू 6 है, उससे एक ही 6 निकल के आएगा आउट ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट। सिमिलरली 4 में से 2 निकल के आएगा आउट ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट। So it is 4 into 6 into 2, which is 24 into 2, which is 48 centimeter square. This is the area of this isosceles triangle. Okay, this is the last question from area of triangles. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which diagonal BD equal to 24 centimeter. BD is the diagonal here, 24 centimeter. AL is perpendicular to BD. And the value of AL is 5 centimeter. CM here, CM is perpendicular again to BD and CM value is equal to 8 centimeter, and we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. How do we do that? So I just said this is the last question of area of triangle, पर मैं निकाल रही हूँ area of a quadrilateral. तो ये तो गलत हो गया, मैंने area of triangle कहा पर निकालने के लिए क्वेश्चन में लिया है मैंने area of quadrilateral. तो कैसे करें? देखिए यहाँ पर दो ट्रायंगल्स हैं यहाँ पर. दिस इज लेट्स से ट्रायंगल 1. फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल इज, जिसको मैं ट्रायंगल 1 कह रही हूँ, दैट इज एक्चुअली ट्रायंगल DAB. सिमिलरली देयर इज अनदर ट्रायंगल, ट्रायंगल 2, which is nothing but triangle DCB. Okay, so area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle DAB plus area of triangle DCB. So area of triangle DAB कितना होगा, हाफ इंटू AL इंटू DB होगा, प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DCB कितना होगा, हाफ इंटू CM इंटू DB होगा. सो हाफ इंटू AL इज हाउ मच, 5 इंटू DB विच इज 24, हाफ इंटू CM कितना है, 8 इंटू DB कितना है, DB इज 24, राइट. सो ये 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are 24, 2 1s are 2, 2 again 12s are 24. अब 5 इंटू 2 करेंगे 60, 8 इंटू 12 हो जाएगा 96. सो 60 प्लस 96 कितना होगा, 156 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD. काफ़ी हमने इजीली निकाल दिया. सिर्फ हमें ये देखना है ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल में कहीं कोई ट्रायंगल्स तो नहीं है. अगर हैं उन्हीं को यूज़ करके ही हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इजीली निकाल सकते हैं. जो यहाँ पर डायगोनल है दैट इज सर्विंग एज द बेस फॉर बोथ द ट्रायंगल्स ADB and CDB. ओके.